If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on POCO M8 5G, you can go to the control center, and then over here you should be able to find this button, this circle with 2 arrows going inside. And this is the Quick Share. We can tap over here in order to open Quick Share. So if you want to send files to your POCO M8 5G, then you should be in this menu over here in order to make sure that you can receive these files. And if you want to send something, you can of course go to send over here. If you care about receiving, you can also tap on yourself here at the top in order to make sure that the visibility is enabled. And for the sake of ensuring that you can actually be detected by other people on other devices, you can switch to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes. This can be really helpful. And if you want to send something, of course we can go to send over here. You can tap on select in order to try to find all the files that you want to send to someone. In here you will find all detected devices that you can send to. But I think the more convenient way to transfer something by using Quick Share is to use, for example, the File Manager or the Files app by Google. Both of these apps are almost the same, I guess. I mean, these are file managers, both of them. So essentially we can use them in order to try to find something that we want to transfer. So let's say we can select a couple of files in here, and then you can choose the send button, and over here you should be able to choose the Quick Share option. And there we go. So instead of selecting files from the Quick Share, you first select items and then use the Quick Share, so the other way around. This might be a little bit more helpful and more convenient to use. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.